Ever wonder what's the real difference between a tuple and a list in Python? Let's clear this confusion in just 30 seconds. Okay. So here is the key difference between the tuple and the list. Let's look at it quickly. So here the list is an ordered collection of items that is mutable. So in the tuple, ordered collection of items that is immutable. Okay, so creating using square brackets. So the list is created using a square brackets. The tuple is created using parentheses. Okay, so it can be changed after creation. Mutable means it can be changed. Immutable means cannot be changed after the creation. So it's slower compared to the tuple, but tuple is faster than the list. When data needs to be updated, when data should remain constant. Simple rule, if your data changes, use a list. If not, you can go with the tuple. So if you are learning Python and finding my videos helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Python interview questions and the quick tips. So that's it for today. Keep learning, keep coding, and I'll see you in the next shot. Bye bye. Take care.